Alright guys, welcome back to J-Force Gaming. And are you currently facing this problem where you are stuck with the iCloud lock? Well, this is a very common issue and probably that's why you're watching this right now, because probably you just bought a phone from the second-hand market or refurbished store, and when you're trying to set it up, you're faced with this iPhone, iCloud activation lock screen, and it's been very troublesome and could be a headache, because there's no way you guys can bypass that without keying the actual password of the original email of the original account of the iCloud account. So you're basically stuck with your phone that you cannot use at all. But you do not have to worry about that, because today I have the perfect solution for you, and you guys can start using your phone in less than 15 minutes time. So how am I supposed to do that? Well, it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the MagFone iPhone Unlocker. I've been using this before, right, to unlock, because I was once a fallen victim of one of these, alright, for my iPhone 12 Pro, and I couldn't get bypass that, and I was like, oh crap, I just wasted a ton of money just to get this phone, and now I couldn't get it unlocked, and I was like panicking, and until I found out this software, the iPhone Unlocker from MagFone, and I was genuinely impressed by how easy and how efficient it is, and it's been super reliable afterwards. I've been using my phone for over like a few years now, and I don't have any issues. I can sign into my own iCloud account. I can update, the iOS version. Everything works reliably well, and I'm genuinely impressed by how efficient and how easy it is, alright, to get, the iCloud activation lock removed. So that's why I'm sharing it with you guys, because more and more of you are having the same problem. That's why I'm making this video, to show you guys how you guys can actually remove the iCloud locked. Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to show you guys the software itself, and you guys can see for yourself what are the features it can do, alright, and what it can helps you with. Alright, and after that, followed by a quick demonstration of the whole unlocking process itself. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself. Let's go. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is the software itself, and not only it does help you removing of iCloud activation lock, but it also does have other features right over here that it can help you remove other issue that you have with your iPhone, like unlocking of iOS screen, unlocking of screen time passcode, removing iTunes backup encryption, removing of mobile device management, and as well as unlocking Apple ID without password itself. But today we are focusing on the removing of iCloud activation lock, and you guys can see it's very generous of them to include other features. So if you guys in the future you have friends or family having the same issue, you guys can use this software to help them remove any of the lock itself. So if you click on removing our iCloud activation lock, you guys can see, alright, we have this right over here, and asks you to please connect your device. So you just have to connect your device to this software, to your PC, and after that, it should auto detect, and you just follow the on-screen instruction to get your phone into recovery mode and DFU mode. And after that, you just need to click a few simple click of a button, and the iCloud lock should be automatically removed. So without further ado, alright, I'm going to show you guys the demonstration itself, so you guys can see for yourself how easy and how straightforward the process is itself. Okay, so now you guys can see this phone is currently locked to previous owner, and this iCloud activation lock, and requires me to key in the email and password of the original account. So what I have to do is just to connect my phone to my PC, and boot up this MagFone iPhone Unlocker software, and just click on start, and it should auto boot your phone into recovery mode. And once my phone is in recovery mode, I just need to click on start and just follow the on-screen instructions to get my phone into recovery mode. Into DFU mode. So as you guys can see, I just need to press and hold the power button and the home button, and releasing the power button while holding down the home button. And once your phone is in DFU mode, this should auto detect, and you should start jailbreaking the phone first. Alright, so it will generally takes a few minutes depending on how old or new your device is. Alright, it should show this random screen with a lot of things that really really cool stuff, but you don't have to worry about that. Alright, generally it's pretty safe. So if you're seeing this screen, that means you're on track with it. Alright, and after it's done, your phone should reboot, and it should say jailbreak successfully. So when the jailbreak is successful, you guys can start to remove the iCloud activation lock. Alright, so you just need to wait a while. It should auto enter your phone in the recovery mode, and you just need to follow the on-screen instruction again just to get your phone into DFU mode. Alright, it's the same thing, but you guys can just follow the countdown on the software itself. Alright, so for me, I need to hold the power button plus the home button itself, and removing the my finger on the power button and while holding down the home button. After that, when it's done, you should start removing the iCloud activation lock itself. And this process is also generally quite quick. You just have to wait a while. Your phone should reboot a few times. You see the Apple logo and a few all these like random symbols and all these like weird text. All right. If you see all this, that means your phone, you're in the right track itself. If you don't see, that means there's something wrong. All right. So if you're seeing this, safe, right? Just let it do the job. Just have to sit back, get a cup of coffee. After it's done, all right, your phone should reboot, and after a while, all right, it should say remove successfully. So when it's done, all right, you guys can see if you still see like the iPhone is still like locked, all right, don't have to worry about that. It's just a software bug itself, all right. And after a while, you can just set up your phone, this and that, all right. While setting up your phone, you guys can see there is no more iCloud activation lock. It's signing. Ask me to sign with my own Apple ID. Alright, so once you see that I ask you to sign with your own Apple ID, that means everything is right on track, everything works perfectly fine. Alright, there's no more iCloud activation lock on the phone anymore. Alright, so right after setting up the phone, you guys can see, alright, I'm inside my phone, there's no more Apple ID. Alright, everything works really, really fine. So yeah, this is the whole demonstration process itself. Alright, so you guys have seen from the whole demonstration process itself, it's very, very easy, super straightforward and very easy to do. You don't have to be very tech savvy to do that. You just have to click a few simple click of a button and bam, alright, your iCloud activation lock has been removed and you are good to go. So this is how easy it is just to remove the iCloud activation lock. You don't have to spend a lot of money or time to go down to a physical store and or even like a third-party store to get it removed. Alright, you have to waste a lot of time traveling down, and after that, they'll probably charge you an absurd amount of price just to get your phone unlocked. So probably they're also using the same software out here like this one. So why spend the extra money and waste the extra time to go down to a third-party store to get it removed, where you guys can do it comfortably at the comfort of your own home with just a simple laptop and or even a desktop or even a MacBook, and you can you are good to go. So if you've seen from the whole demonstration process itself and the whole unlocking process itself, and you are intrigued to get this software right now to get your phone removed, alright, the iCloud removed from your iPhone immediately right away, you guys can check out this MagFone iPhone Unlocker. I'll link them in the first link in the video description down below for you guys to check it out and get it removed straight away. So if you guys are interested in getting this software right here, alright, once again, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this for yourself right now. Then just download it and get a license and you are good to go and can start using your iCloud lock phone within less than 15 minutes time. So it's really, really incredible. Alright, and it's super reliable. Like I say, it's super safe, doesn't break your phone, and there's a lot of software out there, but you may not sure which one works, which one doesn't break your phone. So this is one that I actually tried and tested, and it works really, really well without any issue. So I'm really happy with that, and I'm sharing it with you guys so that you guys can also solve the same issues that you're facing right now. So once again, if you're interested in this software and you want to get it unlocked, your phone unlocked in less than 15 minutes time, you guys can check out this MagFone iPhone Unlocker. I'll link in the first link in the video description down below for you guys to go and check it out and get it for yourself right now. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. If you find this video did help you out, do give it a thumbs up. And if you find it really, really useful, alright, do comment down below as well which iPhone model you use to unlock as well. Alright, so yeah, that's all for today, guys. And this is 𝖩 Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.